Hello everyone. We're back on MPG. As you can see from the title, we're going on a helicopter ride. Let's get into the video. Asterisk him bor asterisk. I should just go watch YouTube. Him trying to lessen my screen time. But I'm bored, so okay.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Straight ahead. Still don't know. I'm on top of the world.
Whoa. I wanna go on a helicopter now. Let's go to my nearest helicopter station. Hello sir. Do you have a available helicopter ride under $500? Yes sir, just go straight and get in the scanner. And it's $250. Okay sir, I will get my money. Here you go sir. Okay, you may go in now. Hi sir. Hello sir. How's the date? Good. Okay, first we're gonna take a little spin, then 10 minutes of flying somewhere. Alright. Oh, this is good. Nice driving skills. Thanks dude. What happened to that? Don't worry. Oh shit, we're going down.